Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another A Trades. Today's date is April the 30th and I'm using my Magic Scalper trading system. System uses Heikin-Ashi candles on the top along with the arrows here, the super signal arrows, and some other indicators down at the bottom here, oscillating indicators. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, I'm in front of the computer. That's right where this vertical line is. That's New York time. Checking out all the different instruments along with my daily trade plan. Now once I make a decision I want to be buying or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time. It's checking out all the different time frames from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. After it does all the calculations within the comments here, it'll make a suggestion. Look for bullish trades, some are bearish trades, and some of them are even preferred. Now my mentor told me many years ago, the reason why a lot of traders fail is they don't even have any kind of a daily trade plan. So after having many different daily trade plans, I found that this one is the best one I came across. I love it as it at least points me in the right direction. Now, of course, if you have any questions, well, quite simple, just get in contact with me. Okay, let's run a check on these trades I did. The first one I did, Euro Aussie, I bought it as you can see. Okay, on this Euro Aussie, we'll just drag and drop this up. Let's see where I got in at. Right at this cursor right here. Arrow from Super Signal, arrow from the daily trade plan. Chart setup did qualify for a great way to trade. For me, it has a very high success rate. So I pulled the trigger there and I closed it out at this cursor here, looks like with 26 pips. And those pips paid out $169. Okay, moving on to the next trade I did, which is the euro dollar. Here we go. On this euro dollar, sold it. Let's see where I got in at. Drag and drop this up. Arrow from the super signal, then the daily trade plan. I knew it was going to go down. So I pulled the trigger at this cursor. And it's the euro dollar, so it does pay $10 for each pip. So from there to here should be 17. Let's see if I can find that. There it is right there, 17 pips paying out $170. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. Now I did a few pound trades today based on, let's see, pound Swiss. Let's pull that up first. It's based on pound strength. And when I was taking the trade, it was right at the top. So I did a few pound trades. First one was his pound Swiss. Got in at this cursor, knowing that it could do a bit of a pullback, but that didn't bother me. Got in at that cursor and closed it out here, looks like with 16 pips, and those pips paid out $174. Okay, moving on to another pound trade, the pound yen here. Pound yen, here we go, pound yen. Bought it. There was the arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal. Well, easy decision to make once you have the proper tools and the right education. So I bought it. Looks like I got about 29 pips. Those pips paid out $184. Okay, moving on to the Euro New Zealand, another one I bought. Let's run a check on it. Arrow from the daily trade plan. Everything looking good for going up. Qualified for a great way to trade. So we'll drag and drop this up. See where I got in at. Here we go. right here on this blue Heikinashi candle. Took the trade there and I closed it out here just being happy with, looks like 44 pips, paying out $260. Moving on to another pound trade, the pound Aussie. Here we go. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Exactly the same as the other pound trades, qualified for a great way to trade. We have the two arrows. Everything is looking great, so I pull the trigger. Locking in, it looks like 42 pips, and that paid out $273. Okay, moving on to another pound trade. Pound New Zealand. Wanted to be buying it, so we'll drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Here we go. Same as all the other pound trades. Took all the trades, as you can see, relatively early. And of course, closed them all out. Looks like before, well, around 9:30, something like that. Looks like I got 61 pips. And those pips paid out $367. Okay, moving on to the last trade. Did gold. Just wanted to show you that you can trade not only Forex, you can trade futures, the indexes. Anything that your broker offers you and you can get it into the market watch, you can trade it using my system. So, let's see, gold. Let's run a check on that, drag and drop this up. Like I said, I wanted to be selling it. And here's the arrow from the daily trade plan, the white one and the red one here. Everything was telling me gonna go down. Looking at the money, and it does pay $10 for each tick, should be 71.7. But let's just see if we can at least find the 71. As soon as it comes in here, there it is right there. It's pretty close. That shows 71.6. But let's just say 71, and that paid out $717. Have an extra minute, and I wanted to show you a neat tool. I call it the FibMaster tool. You click on this link right here. Fib tool, you would just pick any high. Well, this box, that's why I love these boxes, session boxes. So this is the high right here, so it'll be on this candle here, swing high to swing low, bottom of the box. And then of course if it hits any of the entries, it'll usually hit target 2, 3, 4, 5. And it did, hit target 5 right there. And many days it'll just keep going down and down. There's actually 10 different targets. There it is right there. 10 targets. Love the FibMaster tool. It helps many traders, and it works because millions of traders around the world use Fibonacci. If you have any questions regarding the Fib tool here, just get in contact with me. So, another great day of trading. I knew it was going to be over 200 pips and or ticks. Grand total came out to 306 pips and ticks, and that paid out $2,316. Now, if you have any questions, you're interested in any of these products, quite simple, just get in contact with me. And that's easy to do. All you have to do is look right below this video. You'll see in the description a banner, the word more. Click on it. It'll open up another window showing you all my contact information and a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me, and which is almost impossible nowadays, to pick up the phone and call the person who's selling the system, and he's actually trading using the system. But anyhow, I offer that service. As I mentioned, you can call me directly, or you can send me an email, or, and I do prefer Skype, so I made a link Simple. All you got to do is click on the link, and we'll have a Skype connection, and at that point I'll be able to answer your questions. Also in the description you'll see 4 different packages, and I know for a fact that you're going to need a lot of education, and you should be buying education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now, one of the most important things that you will be needing is support, as without support you will still struggle to succeed at trading. And of course, through the support, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. And of course, I do have a special offer, and you'll see that each package, they cost $250 each. Now, if you buy any 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 for free. Well, definitely looks like it's time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.